Solving geometric problems. You need to be able to solve geometric problems. Part of this would be finding a point that divides a line segment in a given ratio. So consider this triangle OAB. Let's take this point M, which lies on the side AB. On the diagram above, suppose that OA is represented by the vector A, and that OB is represented by the vector B. Suppose also that M is the midpoint of AB, i.e. it divides AB in the ratio 1 to 1. So that's one part either side of M, which would mean that M is exactly in the middle. OM, let's think about how we can get there. We can go along OA, and then we can go part way from A to B. And because this is in the ratio 1 to 1, we do 1 divided by 1 plus 1, or just a half AB. Now, if you think about it, that makes sense. If M is the midpoint, to go there from the origin, we can go to A and then go halfway to B. So that's A plus a half B minus A, because OA is A. And think about how we go from A to B. A to B is there, or in terms of vectors we know, we go backwards towards O, which is the negative A, and then forwards to B, which is the positive B. So B minus A is AB. Now take the point N. Suppose that N divides AB in the ratio 3 to 1. So there's 3 parts here and 1 part here. So there's 4 parts altogether. In other words, this is 3/4 and this is 1/4. And that's how we get the ratio 3 to 1. So going from O to N, we can start, as we did before, by going to A. So that's OA. And then we want to go 3/4 of the way to B. Now I'm writing that as 3 over 1 plus 3, because we know that this is divided into 3 parts here and 1 part here. But overall, what we're doing is going from O to A and then 3/4 of the way to B, which takes us to N. We know that we've discussed B minus A before, so that one is A plus 3/4 B minus A. Now suppose that N divides AB in some other ratio, lambda to mu, for example 5 to 7 or something like that. Following what we've done, O to N is O to A, so that's going to A, and then we need to go some fraction of the way from A to B. And following what we've done before, that fraction would be lambda parts of the overall, lambda plus mu. Just like here, it was 3 parts of the 1 plus 3. So that would give us A plus lambda over lambda plus mu, B minus A.